Substances with similar intermolecular interactions tend to be soluble in one another. And a solute is a substance we have the least of that dissolves in the solvent. So a typical example is sodium chloride, which is an ionic compound, dissolves in water. And generally polar solutes dissolve in polar solvents, and non-polar solutes dissolve in non-polar solvents. Now sodium chloride has strong electrostatic forces between the ions, and when it's placed in water, the ion-dipole interactions become more significant, where the oppositely charged dipoles surround the ions. And basically the ions dissociate in water. And this is true for other ionic compounds, like magnesium chloride and potassium bromide, which also dissociate in water. Now pentane is an example of a nonpolar solute that will not dissolve in water. So the London dispersion forces between pentane molecules are more significant than the dipole-induced dipoles between a H2O and a pentane molecule. And the size of the molecule matters, so larger molecules such as biomolecules are more difficult to dissolve.